Welcome to Apache Zeppelin, a powerful web-based notebook designed for interactive data analytics and visualization. It is a platform where you can explore, analyze, and visualize your data in a collaborative environment. Apache Zeppelin is a web-based notebook that enables interactive data analytics. It also supports collaborative data science workflows with built-in visualization capabilities. This means you can perform complex data analysis, create visualizations, and collaborate with your team all in one place using Zeppelin's user-friendly interface. Here are some of the key features of Apache Zeppelin. It supports multiple languages like Python, Scala, SQL, and R. It offers built-in data visualization tools, allowing you to create charts, graphs, and dashboards directly within the notebook. It fosters a collaborative environment where multiple users can work on the same notebook simultaneously. Zeppelin also supports dynamic forms and parameters, making it easy to create interactive reports and dashboards. Apache Zeppelin supports a wide range of languages, making it a versatile tool for data analysis. You can use Python for data manipulation and machine learning, Scala for big data processing with Spark, SQL for querying databases, and R for statistical analysis. Importantly, multiple interpreters are available for each language, allowing you to customize your environment to suit your specific needs. You can see logos like PY for Python, SC for Scala, SQL, and R here. Let's take a look at the architecture of Apache Zeppelin. At the top, we have the web user interface built with Angular, which provides the user interface for interacting with Zeppelin. Next, the Zeppelin server acts as the central hub, managing notebooks, interpreters, and user sessions. Finally, at the bottom are the interpreters, which execute the code in different languages such as Spark, Python, SQL, and Shell. This modular architecture allows Zeppelin to support a wide range of data processing engines and languages. Here are some basic usage examples of Apache Zeppelin. Here is a Python example. First line is %Python. This line indicates we are going to use Python interpreter. Then we load the data using Pandas library. After that, we print the first few rows of the data frame. Finally, a bar plot is created. Here is a SQL example. The first line %SQL indicates we are going to use SQL interpreter. A select query is written to select categories and their counts. Then we are grouping the sales data by category and ordering by count. Finally, the limit is set to 10. Apache Zeppelin is used in a wide variety of use cases. These include interactive analysis of large datasets with immediate visualization feedback, machine learning model development and experimentation with integrated machine learning libraries, team-based data science projects with shared notebooks and insights, and interactive dashboards and reporting for stakeholder presentations. This makes Zeppelin a valuable tool for data scientists, analysts, and engineers across various industries. Ready to get started with Apache Zeppelin? Step 1. Download Zeppelin from the Apache website. Step 2. Configure Zeppelin by setting up the interpreters and connections to your data sources. Step 3. Create your first notebook and start building interactive data analysis workflows. Transform your data analysis workflow with Apache Zeppelin. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.